What if AI agents collaborate, delegate, and make safe decisions on their own? Meet Agentic-Chat, a secure, modular, and intelligent multi-agent chat system where every agent thinks, collaborates, and learns safely. Auto delegation, safe reasoning, and persistent memory all working as one. Agentic-Chat is safe, smart, and autonomous. Agentic-Chat redefines how language models work together. Instead of acting alone, each agent understands intent, share information, and cooperate to reach complex goals. They analyze, plan, and delegate, adapting in real time to your needs. This isn't just conversation, it's intelligent teamwork powered by AI. At its core, Ollama powers intelligent reasoning for fast, accurate decisions. LangGraph orchestrates agents, coordinating them seamlessly. FastAPI ensures smooth, reliable backend operations. MongoDB stores long-term memory, preserving conversations and user profiles, while Redis manages short-term context caching and inter-agent communication. And Streamlit brings it all to life, visualizing real-time collaboration. Every interaction starts securely. Users log in through a simple form. Behind the scenes, credentials are carefully verified. Only authorized users are granted access, keeping every session safe and private. And interactions remains fully secure at all times. Let's walk through a demo. First, we create a new account. Then we log in and log out to see the process in action. Next, we update the password. And again to confirm the change. Finally, we delete the account. And attempt a login with the deleted account, demonstrating how the system enforces account removal securely. This full sequence shows how account management is simple, safe, and fully handled through the interface. Agentic-Chat is a collaborative multi-agent system where intelligence meets coordination. Agents communicate through protocols like A2A, MCP, and AGUI, keeping workflows clear and connected. Together, they show how specialized agents can think, act, and collaborate in real time, making every interaction smart, faster, and more effective. The Met agent handles all calculation and logic for accurate results. The weather agent provides real-world context from local conditions to global trends. The knowledge agent manages and recalls domain-specific knowledge dynamically, providing agents with accurate and context-rich information whenever needed. Chat agents manage natural conversation while background processes run seamlessly. Now let's demo chat operations. First, we will create a brand new chat. Next, we will rename the chat to keep things organized. Step by step, we will interact with multiple intelligent agents working together. Starting with the chat agent with normal conversation. Agent respond conversation friendly and natural. Next, let's talk to the knowledge agent about Naruto Uzumaki. Agent gives a short, insightful summary. Now, switching to the math agent. Agents calculates and respond clearly. Let's collaborate between the knowledge agent and math agent. Agents work together. Math agent handles conversion and knowledge agent provides capital info. Now moving to the weather agent. Agent retrieves and summarizes current weather conditions. Each agent responds intelligently, sharing their messages in real time. We can collaborate with them, share insights, and keep track of everything in one place. After the conversation, we will archive the chat for future reference. Finally, we will demonstrate how to safely delete a chat when it's no longer needed. Agentic-Chat remembers intelligently, keeping track of your past conversation. Redis caches short-term threads for instant access, while MongoDB stores long-term memories and preferences securely. When you return a request, it recalls your tone, style, and focus, making every interaction faster, smarter, and truly personal. Safety is built in. Every action is monitored and protected. When a query is unsafe or unclear, Guardrails step in, intercepting it, explaining why, and suggesting a safer update. With Agentic-Chat, you can explore freely knowing every step is secure and guided. For more info about Agentic-Chat, please visit our GitHub link and YouTube channel and share your dream multi-agent use cases.